products at Service Manager because it's not selling, so the company's getting rid of it to give customers what they want.
Jacob, that is absolutely correct, right? When we're
all these years of playing video games are paying off.
Okay, so when you're looking at product service management, you're looking at maintaining and improving products, or even innovating those in products. Well, here we have a problem because this product is not selling well, so that's part of the maintaining. We have to maintain the product to continue to be profitable for us. Good job, guys. Little teamwork, and we can get through it. All right, number 3. McKenna, can you do number 3 for us?
Yes. A gas station offers a reward card that allows customers to earn free gas. I put promotion.
You sure did? That's a good answer. Why do you think it's promotion?
Because of the reward cards.
Yeah, so reward card here is your keywords to help you remember this. So you can highlight reward card. Good job, McKenna. All right, moving on to number 4. Let's try Marcella.
A hardware store has 30% off the sale on snow shovels in March. I put pricing.
Good. And what was the key word here to help you figure out that it's pricing?
30% off.
Sure, 30% off, right? They're talking about putting something on sale, therefore we're talking about pricing. Good job. Number 5, Colin Lawson.
A store clerk describes the features and benefits of a new backpack. I was thinking selling.
Good thought process. What keywords helped you come up with selling?
Because I was thinking like a new backpack, and people see if that makes sense.
Okay. Is there a keyword in there that lets you know that it was actually selling, though?
Benefits? I don't know.
Okay, that's okay. You did good so far. Let's see if Blake Trailer can help you. Blake, are you with us? Antonio, can you help us, please?
Yeah, I'll try to. For that one, I just looked at benefits and new backpack, and that helped me.
Okay, so that's the part that helped you. So it seems like 2 of you are leaning towards the benefits and the new backpack here. But when we talk about selling, remember that it's personal. So you have people that are communicating with one another. Does that help you guys determine what the key word should be?
I think so.
Okay, let's try it again.
Describes the features.
Okay, so someone is describing features and benefits of the new backpack. Who would that be? Who's doing the describing?
The clerk.
Yeah, the store clerk is doing the describing here, and so that's your communication. You have a person, a salesperson, who is actually describing the features and benefits of this new backpack. So your keyword for selling should be, in this case, store clerk, right? So the store clerk is helping someone. All right, good job, guys. I like when we help each other out. All right, number 6. Let's try Troy McCrae. Troy's usually pretty good at this stuff.
What number are we on, Miss Barlage?
We're on number 6, sir.
1 second.
All right.
A company designs a new type of running shorts particularly for athletes. Market planning?
Very good. Market planning. Troy, how did you know?
It was like one of the only two left.
Okay, so you're a little bit of guessing there. Is there something that can help us decide? Angel, I see that you just came in. We are going over the 7 functions of marketing worksheet. Sarah, can you help us? Do you see any key words in number 6 to help us know it's market planning?
I'm not sure.
Okay. This one's a little bit tricky. Market planning is the one function that I always think is a little tricky. Does anyone know? I'll open it up to anyone. We're looking for a keyword in number 6 to help us determine that it's market planning.
Is it because it's talking about shorts designed for athletes?
Awesome job. Who am I speaking with?
Connor Myers.
Oh, Connor, that was awesome. So when we look at market planning, we're looking at the fact that the company already knows who they're targeting. So here they're targeting the athletes. So they're going to allocate or budget or their advertising dollars and target those athletes. So it's market planning. Awesome job. That's a tough one. All right, number 7. Number 7, let's try. Blake, I see you're back. Go back to Blake. Does your microphone work? I see you're typing. Use your microphone, please. It helps. Nope, it doesn't work. Okay, do you know the answer to this one, to number 7? It says you are invited to participate in a pizza taste test. Which function of marketing are we looking at? Go ahead and type your answer, and then I will read it. Okay, so he's not sure. Anyone want to guess or know the answer to number 7?
I think I know it.
Okay, let's hear it.
Market information management.
Perfect. Marketing information management. Now, how did you know?
Because of the pizza taste tests, like they're testing out the product.
Very good. Nice job. Very good. Okay, and then we're going to try Brooke. Brooke, can you read number 8 for us and give us your response?
I thought there was only 7 questions.
Yeah, there's no number 8.
I had one extra question on mine. You guys don't see that?
No.
I don't see it.
There's only 7.
Okay, so I must be reading off a different worksheet, but that's okay. Let me
Need
go.
more coffee.
I'm going to read this question to you, and you guys see if you know the answer. All right? I'm not sure. Let's just try it. A market includes people who share similar wants and needs and can purchase a company's products. I kind of gave you the answer already, but what would that be called? If you're sharing similar wants and needs, and you can purchase the company's product.
Selling.
Close.
Pricing? Oh, no.
What class are you in?
Marketing.
There we go. All right. Good job, guys. Sorry about that confusion. I have one extra question, bonus round on there. No worries. Okay, so we're going to do a quick review over the marketing is all around us. Okay. So there are 2 different types of products. Monica Brewer, what are those 2 types of products?
Goods and services.
Yeah, very good. It's goods and services. Can you give me an example of a good?
Hang on, I'm still getting it up right now.
That's okay. What is a good? Monica, can you take a guess at it? This one's pretty simple when we look at the goods and services. What's the difference between the two?
Sorry, it wasn't letting me unmute. Oh my gosh, it's like in my brain. I know goods are like, it's like food and clothes and stuff like that, but I don't know how to like describe it.
Well, you just kind of did. So those are tangible items, right? They're items that you can actually purchase and take home. You can physically touch those items. So you said food and clothes as your examples. Perfect. What about services? What services?
It's like something that people do for other people. So like, teaching or like somebody cutting somebody else's hair or like musicians playing for people.
Awesome job. Very good. I like it. Okay, so let's take a look at what is an exchange, Jaden? Jaden Crump.
An exchange? When money is like transferred or something is transferred between two people.
Okay, so money for what?
A goods or a service.
Yeah, for goods or a service. Perfect. This one was our learning target on Monday, the marketing concept. What is the marketing concept? Giselle, do you have this answer?
To satisfy customers' wants and needs.
Keep going, a little bit more. We do want to satisfy customers' wants and needs, but what do we need? Help, we're looking for the last couple words here. Satisfying customers' wants and needs while making
A profit?
very good, Jacob, while making a profit, right? You guys, we need to make sure we know this one because this is the whole concept of marketing, hence the name marketing concept, right? We need to satisfy our customers' wants and needs while making a profit. The reason we're in business in the first place is to make money, right? And that's where the profit comes in. Make sure that you understand the concept is satisfying customers' wants and needs while making a profit. Okay? Economic utilities, but before we get into that, what is a utility? What's a utility? Let's go to Alexandra.
It adds value for the customer.
Awesome. It adds value for the customer. Can you give me an example of one, or tell me one economic utility? Anyone you want.
I can't think of one right now.
Okay. You guys remember at the beginning I said that this is going to be on the quiz too, so you need to make sure you know your 5 economic utilities. Let's have Goodman. Can you give me one economic utility? Are you with me?
Oh, I didn't know you said my name. You were like glitching out. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
I don't know.
Notes. We need one economic utility. There's 5.
Time.
Who said time?
McKenna.
McKenna, awesome. Time. Can you explain to us time utility?
Yes. It's having products available when a customer wants them to increase the value.
Very good. Can you give me an example?
Having Christmas decorations out in August.